Hi, this is Jonathan with West Edmonton Coin and Stamp, and I'm here to talk to you about coin supplies and storage today. We have a lot of different ways to store your coins. Firstly, we're going to show you the most economic way. Our standard pages with little pouches, coming with 88 pouch, 63, and 30 pouch pages. These will fit into any 3-ring binder and will be the most economic way to store your collection. Secondly, our most popular way to store the collection is the 2x2 flips. These coins, your coins are placed into the flips, folded over and stapled, and slide into our 2x2 sheets, which again fit into any standard 3-ring binder. These are by far the most favorite way with collectors because they can write and distinguish their coins, maybe where they got it from, if it was given to them from a family member, and they can keep that keepsake in a safe spot for years to come. For larger coins, we also have the 2.5 by 2.5. The next thing we're going to look at is the variety of binder systems we have for storing your collections here at West Edmonton Coin and Stamp. Starting with one of the most popular versions, our basic Lighthouse binder comes with multiple pages, all dated and laid out showing different variations that you could potentially collect. These have a nice slide out plastic where your coin is placed inside and covered it up and protects it from the kids' fingerprints when the grandkids come over to check your collection out. There are also more economic binders like this showing the country of origin and coming with a variety of different pages to hold different size coins. Again, our binders have a D-ring to keep the pages nice and flat and keep your coin collection in pristine condition. If you're looking for something a little bit nicer, our Vista Collection comes with a nice slip cover, again D-ring binder, and has all your coins laid out with dates and varieties, and again the nice plastic window that keeps your coins safe and allows you to view your collection from both sides. This is Jonathan from West Edmonton Coin and Stamp, thanking you for watching this episode of Window into the Collectiverse. Please comment below on your favorite method of storing your coins and collection.